In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn off Outlook notifications on desktop. If you're tired of pop-ups and pings while you're trying to focus, this walkthrough will help you quiet Outlook without missing important messages when you're ready to check them. Start by opening Outlook from your desktop like you normally would. Give it a moment to load your inbox. If the app opens but you don't see your messages, you may be signed out. So go ahead and log in with your account to make sure the settings we change will apply to you. Once you're in, look toward the top right corner of the Outlook window for the small gear icon. That's the Settings button. Click it to open the Settings panel. This is where Outlook keeps most of the preferences that control what you see and hear as new mail and events arrive. Inside the Settings panel, find and select the General section. General contains your everyday app controls, including how notifications behave. If your layout looks slightly different, that's okay. Outlook updates its design from time to time. Just look for the General category in the left sidebar or within the main settings list. Next, choose Notifications. This page is dedicated to alerts and sounds. It's where you can decide exactly what Outlook should notify you about and what it should stay quiet on. Think of it as your noise filter. Under the area labeled Notify Me About, you'll see options for mail, calendar, and documents. Use the switches next to each category to turn them off. Turning off mail stops new email alerts. Calendar prevents meeting reminders and event pop-ups, and documents silences notifications related to shared files. You can switch off all three for complete silence, or only turn off the ones that interrupt you most. For example, you might keep Calendar on if you rely on meeting reminders, while disabling Mail to avoid constant email banners. After you've set the switches the way you want, scroll to the bottom of the page and click Save. This is important. Your changes won't take effect unless you save them. Once saved, Outlook will respect your new preferences immediately, and you should notice fewer interruptions right away. A quick tip. You're not deleting or blocking anything by doing this. Your emails, calendar events, and documents will still arrive as usual. You're simply stopping the automatic alerts. If you ever need notifications back, return to the same notifications page and toggle the switches on again, then save. That's it. You've successfully turned off Outlook notifications on your desktop so you can stay focused when it matters most.